ordered pair. A pair of number A and B listed in a specific order with A at the first place and B at the second place is called the ordered pair. That is A dot B. Ordered pair, a pair of numbers A and B listed in a specific order with A at the first place and B at the second place is called the ordered pair. A and B. Note AB not equal to B or A. Thus 1 3 and 3 1 are two different ordered pairs. Okay. Coordinate system. What is coordinate system? We represent each point in a plane by means of unordered pair of real numbers. Okay, real numbers, that means -1 2 3 0 1 2 3 etc. called the real numbers. Coordinates of that point. We represent each point in plane by means of an ordered pair of real numbers called the coordinates of that point. And the position of point in a place is determined with reference to two fixed mutually perpendicular lines called the coordinate axis. The position of point in planes is determined with reference of two fixed mutually perpendicular lines called the coordinate axis. Let x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis s dash x and y-axis y dash y. Okay. Let x dash o x, where o is ordinate. Okay. Let x dash o x and y o x dash be two mutually perpendicular straight lines and intersecting at a point O. And these lines are known as the coordinate axis or axis of reference. The horizontal line x dash OX is called the x-axis and the vertical line YOY dash is called the y-axis. The point O is called origin. Okay. Origin means originating, that means birthplace. The configuration so formed is called the coordinate system or coordinate plane, and we fix a convenient unit of length and straight from our origin as 0. We fix a convenient unit of length and starting from the origin as a 0. Marks of equal distance on x-axis as well as y-axis. The distance measured along OX and OY are taken as positive while those along OX dash and OY are called negative. Okay. Thank you.